Hello. It's great to have you here. Welcome to another practical class of ERP Havieri. Today we are going to explore the events screen, a tool designed to manage parties, space reservations, and any type of event your company organizes. The event in ERP Havieri works like a service order focused on occurrences with a scheduled date and time. It manages the complete cycle. It starts with the reservation, defines start and end dates, start and end times, goes through client communication, addition of products and services, and ends up converted into an invoice sale. Each step is recorded. The main screen has the list and register tabs. In the listing, you see all events with very detailed information: code, company, client, phone, mobile, start date, start time, end time, responsible person, and status. The table is already sorted by start date, which makes it easy to see upcoming events. At the end of each row, a menu button opens Quick Actions. The filters are practical. You can search for any word in the search field. And if you need more precision, open the Advanced filter with two tabs, Dates and Status. In the Dates tab, you select the visual start and end period. In the Status tab, you choose among all types: pre-booking, booking, in progress, completed, cancelled. The filters work together and the table is updated automatically. Now let's create an event. When you click on Register, you select the client. You can type the name or click the magnifying glass to open the full search. When you select the client, the system loads the photo on the left side and releases the query tabs on the right side. The first tab shows the event information. The second tab is the financial profile, where you can change the transaction currency. The system loads the available currencies in a table. When you select a different currency, the values are automatically converted. If there is a restriction, the system warns you. The third tab shows the client's sales order history. The fourth tab lists the client's data. The fifth tab displays the delivery addresses. The sixth tab shows the credit limit and available balance. The seventh tab brings consumption graphs. And there is an extra tab that opens the client's general history in a modal window. Everything available without leaving the event screen. The heart of the event is in the bottom panel with two main sections: the event itself and the communication. In the event section, you start by defining the company. Then you select the event status among pre-booking, booking, in progress, completed, cancelled. The responsible person field here is called promoter, which is the person in charge of coordinating the event. Now comes the most important part, the event schedule. You set the start date and start time. Then you set the end date and end time. The date fields are visual calendars. The time fields have an intelligent mask that only accepts valid times. This allows you to register events that last several days or just a few hours. Below the schedule, you have a text area to put the event details. This is where you describe everything that was agreed upon: type of party, theme, decoration, buffet, sound, lighting, how many people, what is included and what is not. In short, the entire scope of the event. The system performs a complete validation before saving. All fields are required. Company, status, promoter, start date, start time, end date, end time, and details must be filled in. If something is missing, an error message appears. When you save, several things happen at once. The event receives a unique code. The communication section is released. The buttons to add products and services appear. The label printing button becomes available. And the text on the Save button changes to Modify, indicating that the event is in editing mode. The second section is Client Communication. You select the responsible person, record the content, and save. The validation requires both responsible person and content. Each communication is recorded in a list below, creating a complete chronological history of everything discussed about the event. And now the part that connects to the financial side, adding products and services. At the bottom, you have tabs to search for products and the shopping cart. When you add items, they go to the cart where you see quantities, unit values, and totals. The system automatically calculates subtotal, discounts, and grand total. You can edit quantities and values directly in the cart and remove items. When everything is ready, you finalize by converting the event into a sale. The conversion function takes all the data and items and generates a complete sales order. The sale automatically inherits the client, products, quantities, and values. Nothing needs to be typed again. The sale appears in the sales listing. Event and sale become permanently linked. The sale can then be invoiced, have a tax document issued, and follow the normal flow of an order. The event also has label printing, email sending with rich text editor, and the client can follow and interact with the event directly through the app, website, or AI. An important difference from the service order. In the event, there are no scheduling, technical analysis, or cancellation sections. The focus here is on date and time scheduling, client communication, and conversion to sale. It's leaner and more straightforward. The action menu for each event shows details and allows quick access to management. If you have administrator permission, an extra management tab appears with the client's complete history. The ERP Rivieri event screen is ideal for buffets, party venues, event spaces, hall rentals, and any business that works with reservations and scheduling. It integrates commercial and financial processes in a continuous flow, from the first contact to the final billing. In the next class, I'll show you the sales screen and complete invoicing. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you then.